Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the Michelin Premium All Season Guardian series. So as you know, winter is about to come. So the rainy season is coming, so you gotta be prepared for your windshield wipers. So actually for my son and then my wife's car, their windshield wiper blade, the rubber is falling apart. So I'm pretty sure it's due to the weather. Got so hot. So before I bought the Goodyear, so this time around, I got this from Costco. These are the Michelin, which is well known for their brand for the tires. So let's see how long this is gonna last. So for this, original price is $8.99. And then there's a $3 coupon right now. So it'll be like $5.99 each. So I believe the last time when I bought the Goodyears, it was like $3 or $4 when it was on sale with a coupon. But anyway, so there's like a size chart for your car. So I kind of mix up with my wife and my son, and actually I double check it. My son's Prius, the two at the wiper blade is going bad. At first I thought it was only one, so I need to go back there and buy more set because it's on sale right now. So just take advantage of that. So I'll show you guys real quick. It says fit right design, maximum blade to windshield contact. These are the Michelin Premium All Season brand Guardian series. This is the 19-inch. So this one will be for my son's passenger wiper blade. So I guess it's for cloudy, raining, lightning, snow, and then sunny. So all season. So it has a dual flex cover, provides maximum flexibility, protects from clogging with the snow and ice. Wow, that is in Spanish. And then this one is the natural rubber with the Dura-Glide coating, smooth, quiet operation. Fit right design, adjust to curve to your windshield. Multi-pressure point, surface contact for better wipes and improve vision. And this one has an easy lock connector system, simple and fast installation. Riveted smart hinge reacts to windshield shape across the entire windshield wipe movement. So this one says fit most of our wiper blade arms. So and then this is the 24-inch. Let me open this real quick. Wow, this is like a nice rubber cover right here on both sides. And then they come with the attachments. Your instruction booklet. So you got the J hook. And then you got the side pin. So it is made for multiple different style wiper blade. So they got this one, plus the attachment. This one. So they come with all these 4 attachments. So this is the Goodyear's brand that I purchased a couple of years when it was on sale from Costco. So this one's a 26-inch hybrid technology. So let's go ahead and open this one real quick. So this is 26 inches, good for the driver's side for my son's Prius. So I'm not sure if this one's gonna fit the driver's side for the Honda Pilot. Oh. So this one comes with the 4 sets of attachment as well. These attachments look kind of different, but should be all the same. And you got this yellow plastic to protect the blade. Come with the instruction manual. So this is just plastic versus Michelin. It uses rubber protective coating on there. So, alright. So here are some of the installation guide for the J hook. Oh, you got the 1/4-inch side pin. Oh, you got the 3/16-inch side pin. And then this is for the single stud. Alright, so to remove this, you just need to pry out, pull up. Okay, and just detach it. And you're gonna hook this at your J hook. And then after that, you just snap it back in. Like that. So let's go ahead and then test out on the car for the Honda Pilot. Alright, so we're gonna go out there, and then it's kind of hot today. So hopefully I could try to show you guys on how to install it and remove it. So let's go out there and then show you guys. Alright, you two, so we're outside right here right now. So it is very hot today. It's about 90 something degree. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I brought the brand new blade right there on top of the hood right now. So I'm gonna show you the blade that is all broken. So as you can see, this blade is all ripping apart on the right there too as well. Right now I'm gonna remove it. So to remove both of the blade from the driver's side and then the passenger side, there's a tab right here. Okay. You might say a pull right here. So I'm gonna pull between the blade arm and this plastic piece right here. Okay, I'm just gonna pry out, pry up. I'm gonna pry up, and then that's it. And you're gonna push the blade to your left side. Okay, push it, and then just detach it. Be sure when you put this arm, make sure you don't hit it, because this is spring loaded, or you're gonna crack your windshield, and you're gonna cost you a lot of money. All right, so now you're gonna insert this your brand new blade into this J hook. Okay, so when I insert this in to the J hook, I need to pull out all the way until I hear click. Okay, there you go. Now it's locked into its position, so you don't need to use those attachment or whatever. All right, and let's go show you guys on the driver's side real quick as well. So again, you'll be doing the same thing. Pull the tab right there. Okay. Ow, it's hot. And then you're gonna pull toward your driver's side. And then that's it. Okay. So I'm gonna inspect this blade. It is still good, but if you want to replace it, you want to replace the same time, okay? So I need to go back to Costco and then buy it some more. And this one is longer, probably like a 26-inch. I need to do some research again for the driver's side. So yeah, to remove it is very easy now. So this one's the Goodyear. I need to detach this plastic first. All right, you put it in there. So yeah, it is same size, 26-inch for the Honda Pilots. So I'm gonna actually install that one onto my son's car, because I'm I'm going to use, since this blade is still good, and I'm going to go to Costco and buy extra blade, the size 26 inch. But I'm going to use the same brand this time, Michelin. I don't want to mix Goodyear with the Michelin. I'm going to do that for my son's car. So this is my son's 2012 Prius plug-in. All right, and then here's a blade. So as you can see, it is all flapping. The rubber is coming apart, and this was purchased through Costco too. And this one's the Goodyear. So I guess the Goodyear, they don't last too long, I guess. And then this is the driver's side. It's mixing as well. This side too, toward the driver's side. So coming apart. All right, so I'm gonna remove this. Oh, this is the Michelin one. Gonna pull this way. Now we're gonna move to the driver's side. Be sure to remove this yellow. Alright, that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.